Moebius presenta su primer kit con toma de fuerza en 4 versiones. Este es el primer sistema totalmente preparado de origen para funcionar desde el cálido verano del norte argentino hasta la fría Patagonia. Moebius, productos reales, sin renders.
I'm Sterling Anderson. I'm a co-founder and the Chief Product Officer of Aurora. Aurora is a company we founded about 6 years ago to deliver the benefits of self-driving technology safely, quickly, and broadly. So we developed the Aurora Driver, which is a combination of hardware, software, and data services required to operate vehicles in the world and to move people and goods safely on public roads. Over the last 6 years, we've developed the foundation of the Aurora Driver, and I include in that foundation much of the hardware. We developed a proprietary set of sensors, among them FirstLight, which is what we refer to as our proprietary LiDAR sensor that is uniquely able to operate large vehicles at highway speeds. We've also developed a computing system, networking solution, and the software and back-end data services that are required to operate these vehicles. We are at present in the final stages of what we call feature complete. By the end of this month, end of March of 2023, we expect to be feature complete, by which I mean that we will be architecturally able to operate through all of the scenarios that we expect to encounter on our launch lanes in Texas. From there, we are in a refinement phase for the next couple of quarters to close the safety argument for operations such that we can remove the fallback, which is the human driver that's there in the event that something goes wrong. In parallel to this, we're making a tremendous amount of progress with Volvo in the preparation of the autonomous truck. And so we've worked through the requirements, we've worked through design of that truck, we've worked through the integration of the Aurora Driver, mechanical, electrical, thermal, and otherwise. And we're preparing those trucks for their manufacture at large scale. So we're spending a great deal of time on design for manufacturability, spending a great deal of time on the production readiness for these trucks. All of these pieces will come together in the coming year in preparation for our commercial launch. Now, in addition to those, we are making a number of operational preparations as well. And so we've got terminals in Texas, where our launch at the either end of our launch lane and a few coming lanes. And in preparation for that, we're actually operating trucks, pulling commercial loads between these terminals to prepare our end customers for what the totality of the operations is going to include, inclusive of shuttles that move from the endpoint to the terminal, transition to self-driving trucks that are doing a lot of the high-speed, high-utilization operation between the terminals, and then finally the kind of drayage at the end of the route as well.
A is for Amber, who's taking the bus. B is for Barry, who's feeding the doves. C is for Clara, cleaning her lambs. D is for Dora, hanging out with her friends. E is for Eric, who's digging too deep. F is for Freddie, whose heart stopped to beat. G is for Gary, who's crossing the street.
Bueno, qué programa, ¿eh? Se dieron cuenta ahora lo que es que los robots estén ganando la calle. Me alegró mucho que desde Electrificados GarageTV les vengamos hablando de eso hace un largo tiempo y que casualmente ahora, esta semana que terminó, Elon Musk explicara que va a trasladar todo el conocimiento logrado en las calles a los robots de tipo humanoide. ¿Por qué me alegró? Porque nos confirma que no estamos mal en el camino que les informamos, no estamos mal en el camino que les proponemos que ingresen a todos estos temas de movilidad y de nuevas tecnologías y energías limpias. si nosotros desde nuestro humilde espacio, humilde y pequeño espacio aquí en GarageTV, les decíamos que el camino es este, y luego sale Elon Musk varios días después, un par de semanas después, a decir que este es el camino que ellos van a seguir, a nosotros nos pone muy contentos y nos da mucha más fuerza para seguir avanzando. Pero ahora quédense porque ya llega el ángel copiloto aquí en GarageTV y como a mí me encantan las motos, es muy bueno que los vean a los muchachos. Hasta el próximo sábado, aquí en Electrificados GarageTV.